Okay, so now see here, what I am trying to say now. Static. I want a static demo. What is the static? We already understand why should we keep static in front of the main method in the first class. Static demo. I'm taking static demo is my class name. In this static demo I have some variables like int. uh, if you keep a static, I think you know the storage classes in C language. What is the use of static? You know. Yes, only one time. That is static. Similarly, here also, if I keep a static variable like this, static int a equals to 10, for example. Okay, similarly, I will take the non-static variable like int non-static ns equals to 20. Otherwise, take b is a non-static variable. And next is I am going to use the final variable also. Okay, instead of constant I will use final variable. Okay, final int c equals to 30. I have three different variables. Okay, one is static variable, another one is a non-static variable, another one is a final variable. Now I can have public void non-static method. No, this is non-static method. I will take yum is my method name. This is a non-static method. I will go and display all the values here. Is it possible? A, I'm going to display. B also I want to display here. C also I will go and display here. Is it okay now, students? Yes. Okay. Now, similarly, I have some static method. See here. I have some static method like this. Sm is my static method. Here also I am going to use all the variables. All the variables. Now I will create another class and call the methods. Not mentioned. Oh, okay. I will mention static. This is a static method now. Yes. Now see here in static. What is that? What I created the static demo. Static test. I will create. Right click. New class. Already you got an error. What is the error? Please identify. Static test I have. Okay. Static test. So here in static demo we already got an errors. What is the error? See, you got two errors. See why? Yes, static methods only accepts the static variables. Okay, for example, a is the static method, so sorry, static variable, so this can be acceptable in the static method because a is a static variable. I can print that particular value, but these two are non-static variables. Okay, one is final variable, another one is a non-static variable. How can I access? So now you got a doubt. Sir, we are using in main method. Main is a static method. No sir, we are declaring int a, that is a non-static variable. How we are using that particular variable in the main method? Somebody can get this type of doubt, I think. Yes, it is a static method. Whenever you are declaring within the class, within the main method, if it is a static method, then it will be automatically static. Okay, for example, you see here whatever variable I declared. So this is a main method. In the main method I declared any variable, it becomes a static. It is a static variable now. Okay, so now in static demo I will comment these two lines because of I cannot use these two variables, first and foremost thing. And next thing is final variable. Final variable means final variables I can't change. For example, I want to change C value to 40. It is not possible because it is a final variable. Final means the value, once the final variable value is decided, then we can't change the value. Okay, so here I am trying to change the value, you definitely got an error. This is an error. Okay, because of I am trying to change the value. Okay, so once the final variable was created, so it is like a const. Okay, const keyword is also going to be work in Java, but we are generally using the final keyword so many times because final variables can't change. The data will not be changed anywhere in the entire project. You can also give the final methods also. I will explain you what is the final methods. I will tell you what is the final methods. Now we understand. See here, this is an ordinary method. In ordinary method you can access any variables, that may be a static variable or non-static variable or final variable, any type of variables. But in static methods we can only access the static variables. Okay, so from the outside I can create an object for static demo sd equals to new static demo. Okay, now I can call sd dot what is the method we have? Yum is a method, and you can also call sd dot sm is there. Yes, sm is also there. If you learn C++, in C++, static methods can be only called with the class name only. That means we can directly call like this. Okay, you can directly call like this only. You cannot call. But Java, in new Java versions from 8.0 and 9.0, we have a feature. In this particular feature, using the reference of the object also you can call the static method. So generally static method does not have any instance. Using the class name you can directly call the static method. Where is that? Here. Because static demo is my class name, I can directly access this particular static method without creating an object. But instance methods, these are the instance method. This is the instance method. Instance method must have a object. Without object we cannot call yum method. But static method can be called with object or without object. With object or without object. I already told that system.out.println. Println is a static method. How can I say? System is the class in lang package. Under that out is the subclass. Under that println is the static method. So directly we use the class name to to call the method. Similarly, static demo.sm. What happened? This sm will directly called without object reference here. Without object reference. The real-time example is here. I will execute the program. Here we got 10, 20, 30 and 10 because in M we display all the static, non-static and final values. In SM we only display the static variable. Okay, this is the thing here. What I am trying to say is With object or without object, we can call the static methods. But non-static methods, you must having a object. Without object, we are not going to call the methods. And I am going to tell you a real-time example. If you go to an ordinary shop, in ordinary shop, if you want to access a particular product, that particular product can be accessed by one girl or boy. If you want to access directly, there is no direct access. Using a girl or boy, she or he will give you that particular product. You cannot directly go to the shop and directly carry that particular product. That is regarding non-static. That is non-static access. Static access means if you go for Spencer's or any other particular shopping malls, shopping marts, you can directly access the product without reference of any particular object. That means without needing of any girl or boy. Similarly, static method can be directly accessed using the class name, but normal method can be accessed using the object.